Milo opened the fridge and saw only a single pickle. He knew something was wrong. Zara zoomed in. Benji sneezed, and Mr. Snuffles barked twice. The secret signal. Fridges across town were empty. The gang followed the trail to an abandoned ice rink, where raccoons with headlamps ran a frozen food black market. After a wild chase and donut-fueled distraction, the Raccoon King was unmasked. It was Benji's Uncle Gary. Lights flashed. "Congrats, junior agents!" Milo grinned. "Time to find my pickle."